Hey, this is Joe Nicasio with the Employee Escape Plan with your gold nugget for the day. And your gold nugget today is to identify who is your real competition, because you know what? The people that you think are your competition probably aren't your competition. Let me give you an example. I was asked a couple years ago to consult with a car wash in Long Beach. It was a drive-through car wash with hand. It was one of the high-end car washes. And we were asking, I was asking the question, who is your competition? And at first we thought, okay, maybe it's the car wash a few miles down the street in near the traffic circle, or maybe it's the car wash down the street down in Huntington Beach. But you know what? There's other car washes. There's when you go to the gas station, there's a car wash there. Or there's those coin-operated car washes. There's also detailers. Those might be your competition. It could be entirely possible that you wash your own car. That could be your competition. And maybe instead of going to a car wash, maybe you pay your neighbor kid, $5 or $10 to help him make some extra money. That could be your competition. But you know what we discovered the real competition is? It's the guy who says, why wash your car when you got a perfectly good layer of dirt protecting the paint job? You see, your biggest competition is inertia. Because a body in motion will stay in motion, and a body at rest will stay in rest. Your biggest competition is not people buying from someone else. Your biggest competition is people not buying from anyone at all. So your job is to raise your value so that people see you as the most preferred choice. So that's your gold nugget for the day. Be honest with yourself. Who is your real competition? You know what? It's not the guy down the street. It's yourself. And it's inertia. It's people's unwillingness to make a move when they should be making a move. This is Joe Nicasio, Employee Escape Plan, and that's your gold nugget for the day.